we are going to install this on the 2nd gen Ram. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to replace the 4-wheel drive selector knob on the 2nd gen with this Hurst universal T-handle knob. This is the polished model, and I'll take you through steps by steps on how to properly install this. But first I want to tell you about an upcoming event on June 16th here at Dixon City, PA at the Circle Drive-In, and it's called AutoFest. It is put on by the Sendic crew here in Northeast PA. And at the show, they're going to have a burnout competition, a 2-step competition, and a low limbo competition. There's going to be awards for best import, best domestic, and best audio. There's also going to be a section there for Jeeps and trucks. So if you guys want to come out and check that out, I'm going to be there representing the U2 Pack. And if you want to know more about the U2 Pack, go to u2pack.com. There's a complete listing of all the car shows up and down the East Coast, and preferably in the northeast section of the country. So let's get started on this, and I'll show you how to do this. This is the polished universal T-handle by Hurst. Let's see what's all in here. We have the polished handle, some locking nuts, and it looks like some universal inserts and some Loctite. Let's take it on over to the truck and we will get this installed. Okay, what I like to do first is lay out all the parts that I would be needing, and here are the lock nuts, your Loctite, and your inserts for the handle. And then once you find the shifter knob that you were replacing, which right here, that's the one that I'll be replacing. So to take this off, just twist it off. And do not discard this, because this is your gear selection indicator. It tells you your 4 high, your neutral, your 2 high, and your 4 high. Or I'm sorry, your 4 low, neutral, 2 high, and 4 high. Do not discard this, so you can use this for future reference when you put your truck into 4-wheel drive. So I'll just put this off to the side. And then first, what I would like to do is find which lock nut, and the lock nuts have 2 sides to it. There's a beveled side on one side, and the other side is flat. I'll put the flat side down, and all I'll do is start going through them and find out which one will work. That one doesn't work. That one's too big. That one's too big. Okay, there you go. And just remember to keep the flat side down, and I'll snug it down away. And then you'll find your insert to figure out which insert you use, and they're all different colors. This is the green one, which does not fit. The pink one's too big. Let's try the silver. Silver's also too big. Whoop. Blue one, too small. Try purple. Okay, that one is the right one. So what I will do now is take the insert off and insert it into the T-handle. But first, if you're going to permanently keep these on, I would put a little bit of Loctite in there and then insert it. I am not going to use the Loctite for the purpose that if I ever want to replace it or put a different one on, I can. So all I'm going to do is insert this into there. And I'll screw it down as far as I can by hand. Okay, once you get that down there, then I will just take your lock nut, put that down, and then insert your handle. Okay, so if it ends up like that to where it bottoms out, then all you got to do is just put it in the position that you like. And from sitting there, it would be like at an angle for your hand. So then all I would do is snug up the lock nut. And then I will get my adjustable wrench and give that a snug. Okay, I have my adjustables, and I'll just find out where the sides are. And I will just snug it up. There, my universal T-handle by Hurst has now been installed. You guys are getting a little sneak peek at what the interior looks like. I'm not ready to unveil it yet. And there you have it. The universal T-handle by Hurst has now been installed on the 2nd Gen Dodge Ram. I hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to mark June 16th down in your calendar for that AutoFest car show. And I'm Joe. You're watching Wicked Fabs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.